Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you have seen in my last video, I had completely disassembled my bike to replace this ABS braking module, which has been done. Right now I need to install it back, so I just cleaned my air filter and kept it for drying. So this is my new air filter. I've lubed it and it's kept for dry. Okay, now next is I'll install my airbox filter first, and then that's it. Put the rest of the parts and we are done. After that we need to bleed the brakes also. You can see the brakes, it's, I think air has gone out and it's completely gone, so it takes some time. So right now the first thing is install the airbox and connect all the connections which are removed. I think this and this four is the thing which is pending. Once it is done, we connect the ECU and then rest of the things. That's it. So let's start. Okay, what is this? Just checking if any other mounts or anything been loose so that I can tighten it up. I'm just concerned. Yeah, I don't think so. As of now, anything is having problem. Okay, so let's get started. So when fitting, there is this small hole which is here that needs to be aligned with this box. So there is a air inlet to this. So just pull it out and make sure that it goes inside. That's it. Yeah, as you can see, it's perfectly mounted on the vertical. Just need to check whether it's done on whether it's perfect on the horizontal too. Yeah, this is the horizontal. Yeah, it's almost there. Just need to give a slight press. Yeah, it's done. That's it. Now I need to tighten these clamps and put all the connections. Okay guys, you can see here this is connected. This is a map sensor which is connected to the airbox, and these four connectors done. This needs to be connected because the cable has to come on top of this. So I need to install the airbox and then, it's not the airbox, the air filter, and then connect this. So that's pending. And on the in this side we had removed these two screws. This also has been refitted back, and I think that's it. And also tighten the this locks both front and rear. Yeah, that's it. Now I kept my air filter to get dry. So meanwhile, what I thought is I'll also bleed my brakes or check if any other connections are loose and get it fixed. So let's see how does that go. It's almost done, most part. Now just need to install the air filter and put all parts back. Okay, now the airbox rubber I have fitted. You can see the inside the airbox rubber. Next is to just drop my air filter. So once you drop, just put the outer cover, and that's it. The airbox is done, and I think almost all are done. The airbox, also the air filter got dry, so that's one thing, good thing. So once that is done, I will be reconnecting this cable and installing the tank back. Yeah, that's how it's going. So this is also the airbox cap which fits on top of this. So I need to mount this also properly. Okay, now the airbox is done. Next is to connect the ECU, which is remote. So there are 2 points which connects the ECU. Okay, actually I had not mounted this rubber properly, so it was not going. So the ECU is mounted back on the airbox. So now this is the one of the connector. Just put it like this and done. So okay, I need to put the rear one first and then the front one. That is rear done. Key. And the front also is done. Okay, the ECU is done. I think most of it is done. Even I have connected this map sensor also. So next thing, just to put back the tank, and that's it. It's all done. So the bike has been finally fitted with all the parts, tank, the side fairings, everything is done. Yes, you can see all done. Let me try to start and see if there is any check light or anything. Okay, you can see the ABS also is working fine as of now. This is good. Okay, it needs to be bleeded, so I am just checking if there is any heat or anything happening. So as of now nothing is happening. Okay, so let me crank her up. Whoa. That started easily, no issues. Yes guys, I think that's it, done. So that's how you need to replace the ABS module if your ABS module is gone bad or corrupt. After this I need to bleed my brakes. As you see, my brakes are very squishy. So this is pending, it will take some time. I'll do it in the next video. As of now, the main thing is done. Let me bleed the bike and do a test drive and see what the ABS issue will occur again or no. As I believe that it should not happen again. Let's see. Okay, the air filter is also new. The bike is breathing perfectly fine. Wow. Usually it used to get stalled sometimes. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's crazy. That's it guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.